How to scan documents on iPhone and send it to email. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you can go to App Store and download any of the scanning app. Here I'm using Cam Scanner for this video. Tap on the camera-like option on the middle, which will open a camera and you'll be able to scan the document through it. Click on the shutter button and you'll be able to capture the document. As you do that, you'll be able to edit this. Tap on the tick mark on the bottom right corner. Again, tap on tick mark on the bottom right corner after doing all the edits. Now you'll be able to share it by tapping on Share on the middle. You can share on PDF or Word. Now select any of the medium from which you want to share this document. You can tap on More to see more of the medias or email. For this video, I'm using Gmail. As I do that, now I want to type the name of the person or the Gmail of that person to whom I want to send this document to. After I type it, tap on the arrow-like option on the top right corner. So that is how to scan document on iPhone and send it to email. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.